Apple Music sometimes won't play on your iPhone, even with AirPods or in the car. In this video, we'll explain why it happens and how to fix it fast. Part 1. Why does my iPhone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi? An iOS update may stop music or mute sound. Offline mode can block playback. Corrupted files won't play. Errors like media not supported, 4010, or item unavailable may appear. Part 2. How to fix iPhone won't play music. Method 1. Check Apple Music settings on iPhone. Solution 1. Check Apple Music subscription. Settings your name subscriptions. Make sure Apple Music is active. Solution 2. Turn on Sync Library. Settings Music Sync Library. Method 2. Check the factors in iTunes. Solution 1. Update iTunes to the latest version. Solution 2. Reauthorize the computer. Account authorizations deauthorize this computer. Solution 3. Resync your device. Sync again with iTunes. Use a USB cable instead of Wi-Fi. Solution 4. Re-add music and sync. Add missing songs back to iTunes. File add to library, select music, open. Sync again. Solution 5. Clean sync with iTunes. Backup music. Clear iTunes library and device. Re-add songs and sync again. Solution 6. Backup and restore iPhone. Make a full backup. Restore to factory settings. Method 3. Update iOS software. Settings general, check iOS version. Apple Music app settings, check app version. Update both iOS and Apple Music to the latest versions. Method 4. Convert the music format. iTunes edit preferences, general import settings. Choose format under import using OK. Select song file, convert, pick new format. Method 5. Reset your iPhone. Backup data via iTunes or Mobican Assistant for iOS. Settings general, transfer or reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. Restore data from backup. Part 3. One-stop solution to fix music not playing on iPhone. If the methods above don't work and your iPhone still can't play music, it's time to try a professional solution. iOS System Recovery is a powerful tool designed to fix iOS system issues. How to use iOS System Recovery to fix iPhone won't play music. Step 1. Launch the software. Download and install iOS System Recovery. Open the program and select iOS System Recovery to begin. Step 2. Connect your device. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Click Start to proceed. Step 3. Step 3. Choose a repair mode. Choose Standard Repair to preserve your data. This is the recommended option for most issues. If it doesn't resolve the problem, you can try Advanced mode. But keep in mind this will erase all data on your device. Step 4. Download firmware and start the repair. Confirm your device details and download the required firmware. Once it's downloaded, click Repair to begin the process. Wait for a few minutes while the system fixes the issue. After it's complete, your iPhone should be able to play music again.